Can you see it now? Alright, so this is the end of your belly. Okay? And then from there, we pull back. This PVC looks great back this way. There's nothing wrong in it. This is the turn. It's actually a Y because the fitting is right here that leads back to the other house. Okay, so then as we come back this way, it looks good. There's a clean out outside again. I don't know why you have so many clean outs to do. Neither here nor there. It looks great coming back this way. The next problem we're going to see is Orangeburg. Orangeburg is paper pipe. I don't know why when they replaced this pipe and did a repair they didn't take all that out. But they didn't. But it's way back. As you can see, 80-some feet, no problem. I mean, this pipe has been flushed and used recently, well, I mean, decently recently, and there's no water sitting in it, like there is on the other side. So we don't need to do a full line replacement. We would need to do a repair out there. It's 4 feet deep, 3 feet 8 inches, but we got to do the 4, and 12 feet long. That would get that part open. The other part, the worst part, is back here. It's going to be back around 10 feet. So we got a little ways to go.
And here's your feet and distance that he keeps talking about.
Go ahead, ask.
Why did this happen?
Well, the Orangeburg was installed back in 1950, so it's original to your house. I don't know why somebody didn't replace that. The belly happened probably because whoever installed the new sewer out there didn't bed it in gravel properly, or things have been running over it. It's not terribly deep. It's almost 4 feet deep in the ground. So, I mean, ground settling happens, and plumbers happen. Yeah, I mean, there's 1,000 ways for it to happen, especially bellies. The Orangeburg is just the Orangeburg. Whoever did a repair on it, I don't know why they repaired it and didn't remove it all, but they didn't.
They didn't remove what?
It's Orangeburg. It's the type of pipe. It's paper pipe. You'll see it's jet black. It's got a bunch of blisters in it. It holds everything. It's a stoppage waiting to happen. And you'll see how bad it is when I get back to it. But you can see how, if you're looking at the screen and you can see it, this pipe so far from 97 feet back to 30 something is empty. It's void. It's got nothing in it. It's in perfect shape. It's doing exactly what it should be doing, which is going downhill. Until you get to the end, the last 12 feet, they hold sewage. And so that's not helping either house there.
Now the septic tank is open so that everything was
Right, from what I can tell, yes. I mean, if it didn't, he's been using the other side, so he would know. Right, no, and that's fine. So here's your Orangeburg. This is your connection, this black pipe right here. Once I get to a good spot where we can see it, you can see it holds everything, and it's paper. And so there's your look on that black pipe right there. Is the Orangeburg. It's open about 2 inches. This is a huge blister right here in the bottom. Another one. So it's squished. And then what happens is when we pull back before this, there's a huge lip right here. And then we're back into cast iron in a couple seconds. That's the cast iron there. And so now we're back. I mean, it's a short section. But that Orangeburg is what's holding everything up. I mean, you can see there's a massive lip right there that I hit. And if I don't smack over it, I get stopped. And then everything gets to here. There's roots. Maybe. And then it's just everything is in this section of pipe. And so then you get back into the PVC. So I don't know why somebody left that there when they connected PVC to it. And then you have another piece of plastic. So the roots are right there at that connection. And then you have another piece of plastic right here. You see this lip? It's hard to see. This is the lip of the cast iron. This is the lip of the plastic. They should meet on this lip. So whoever put this piece of pipe in, which is the people that put in the new kitchen sink line, they didn't connect it with a shear band, which means they put a Fernco, which is this rubber boot that's right here. It's hard to see that, but it's a rubber boot. And the shear band would be a metal band that goes around it on the outside that keeps it from doing this. But you can see it's dropped 1.5 inches. where your kitchen sink ties in. So that's no good. So you need to repair this pipe from here all the way past this. Get rid of this old cast iron because there's no sense in it. Leaving it. You got this Orangeburg. Get rid of this Orangeburg, and then glue on to this PVC that's right here. You can see there's roots right here. Yeah, I mean there's everything's in this pipe. It's all kind of messed up. So what I need to do is locate all